Okay, we are now going to log on to each of our three servers using SSH. The first thing we need to do is find the server's public IP addresses. So what you want to do is in the AWS console, select Services, Compute, and then click EC2. And then on the left-hand side, click Instances. And then for each of these, go ahead and click on the first one. And what we want to pay attention to is this public IP. So go ahead and keep track of the public IP and then the private IP. But we're going to start off with the public because that's how we're going to log in. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, come over here to our terminal. Now at our terminal, the first thing we need to do is change the permissions of the file that we downloaded earlier, the PEM file. So we want to do a change mod 400 in the //.ssh DynomiteDB VPC-kp.pem. And then once that's done, we can do an SSH -i //.ssh DynomiteDB VPC-kp.pem. And then we want to put in our username, which is going to be Ubuntu, and that public IP address that we just got from the website. Go ahead and enter yes, and we will be logged on. There we are. Then go ahead and open up a new terminal window, and we're going to do that again. We're going to do SSH -i //.ssh DynomiteDB VPC-kp.pem Ubuntu @ and now we want to come back here to the AWS console, select the next server, get our second public IP address, copy it, and we're going to go ahead and paste that in and enter, type yes, and we'll be logged on to our second server. And then finally we want to do the same thing one more time to our third server. So SSH -i //.ssh DynomiteDB VPC-kp.pem, and then again Ubuntu @ come back here to AWS and get the IP address of the third server. And let's do that. And yes, and we'll be logged in again. So the next thing we want to do is for each of the servers, we want to do an update. So we're going to do sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade -y. And let's copy that because that way we can just do that command 3 times. So we copy, run, select our next tab, paste in the same command of sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade -y, hit enter, and then come to your third server, same command again, and enter. And at this point, that's the end of where we're going to stop with this video. This is, at this point, our servers will be ready for the DynomiteDB installation.